So Samsung has announced Galaxy Watch Active 2 just months after the release of Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. And here are 10 new features. Watch Active 2 now comes in two sizes, a 40mm and a 44mm model. The 40mm model, which is the same size as the original Watch Active, now has a slightly bigger screen than the original Watch Active thanks to the slimmer bezels. Watch Active 2 comes in Bluetooth as well as LTE variants. So you will be able to use your watch as a standalone device, make and receive phone calls, etc. Watch Active 2 also features a speaker as well as a microphone. It is also worth mentioning here that Bluetooth models will have aluminum build, whereas the LTE models will have the more posh steel build. With Watch Active 2, Samsung has also brought back the most iconic feature of its smartwatches, the rotating bezel. But this time, instead of a mechanical bezel, we have a touch-sensitive bezel stripe which works in the same way. It also has a haptic feedback which mimics the rhythmic clicks of the mechanical bezel. This feature will undoubtedly improve the functionality of the watch and attract more Samsung fans. Just like Apple Watch Series 4, Watch Active 2 now also support ECG, but it won't be available at launch as Samsung still doesn't have FDA clearance. But the feature will be available at some later point. There is another very unique feature and limited for now to Watch Active 2 called My Style. This allows you to match your watch face with your clothes by simply taking a photo of whatever you're wearing with your phone, and Samsung built-in algorithms will produce a watch face similar in design and color to your clothes. Now this is an amazing feature as this removes the struggle to find a watch face matching your outfit from the Galaxy App Store every time you dress formal or for party. Similar to My Style feature, there is also Match Your Strap feature. This basically allows you to download a watch face that suits your watch strap. So you buy a watch strap and scan the QR code on the package and you'll get a link to Galaxy Store to download a watch face that fits it. Watch Active 2 also has faster accelerometer than Watch Active, twice as fast to be precise. Now this allows Watch Active 2 to track your activities more accurately and probably also better capability of automatically detecting workouts. The heart rate sensor on Watch Active 2 is also updated as now it has 8 LEDs as compared to the 4 on Watch Active. This helps with the more accurate heart rate readings and probably also with the ECG feature. And now fuller versions of YouTube and Twitter will also be available on Watch Active 2, so much so that you can even watch YouTube videos on your watch. I don't know why would you want to do that, but it's there if you need it. And finally, we have the official version of Google Translate on Watch Active 2. This allows you to talk in one language and have the watch translate it into another. Now hopefully this is the start to the arrival of many Google apps coming to Galaxy watches, and we are looking forward to that. So that's about it from this video, guys. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.